We just created in our system the proof of existence functions like get claim, create claim, and revoke claim. Now we are going to implement our dispatch inside the proof of existence palette. And for that, we are going to use exactly the same structure as we used in the previous implementation of the balances palette. So here is the boilerplate code that we need to do. So basically, let me copy this code here. Okay, we have the enum and we have the implementation of the dispatch support. So we will implement the dispatch for this palette. So let's go into our code and add this below here. So this is the balances, and let's add this to our proof of existence palette over here, down here. So basically we have to import the dispatch, okay, and of course we need to implement the traits caller, call, and dispatch. We have to set up the same way we set up the types. Let's set up the types for our implementation here inside the proof of existence. So the caller will be account ID, and the call will be type of call that we just created here. We need to create what are the types of call that we have here. So in this case we have create claim and we also have revoke claim. Okay, but these calls, they have some parameters, of course. And what are the parameters? When you create a claim, you have the claim, which is the type is the content. When you create a claim, you have what type of claim, and when you revoke the claim, the same. And now we will implement the dispatch function here, down here, basically creating the same logic that we created here. Like we match the call, whatever call it is, we route the call to the transfer, to the function that we want. Okay. So let's create the function the same way, dispatch. So we have a caller and then we have a call. This is the type that we just defined here. And if the call is a create claim, then we call create claim. If the call is revoke claim, we call revoke claim over here. And this is everything we need to do, very simple. You see, we are just copy and pasting code. There's a syntax error. Let me see what I did wrong here. Cargo run, let's try to. Oh, we don't need this. Actually, yeah, we don't need this pub because this is internal. Okay, perfect. Okay, everything is working right now. We just implemented as we did before in the dispatch, and we are ready to start using our palette in the main runtime. So remember the steps. First, we create the palette structure with the data, in this case a B-tree map with claims. Then we created the palette functions like create claim or revoke claim. And then we are implementing the dispatch for this palette. And now we are going to, in the next lesson, to add all this code to our main to be used the same way we created for the balances. This way we're going to have a proof of existence version of it here in the main. And also later we'll be able to interact with it using blocks and extrinsics and so on.